house, apartment, townhouse up and down, with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, with covered parking garage. Hello everyone, kamusta kayong lahat? And ito po yung update sa na-visit nating vacant na house apartment. 2 bedrooms, vacant and open for viewing, ready for occupancy. Nakatiles na ang flooring at bagong pintura with covered parking garage. Pwedeng magtindahan and yes, pets allowed. May built-in cabinets na rin. Sariling metro na kuryente at tubig. Malapit sa highway. May malapit na school at market. House apartment, townhouse up and down with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom with covered parking garage. Ang location sa Bacoor City, Cavite, Philippines. Hello everyone! Kamusta kayong lahat? At maraming salamat sa pagbisita dito sa ating page. Ito po yung update sa na-vacant na house apartment.